can't get her boobs done. He say spin, we ain't see him yet. That pussy ain't gon' do nothing. New ARP and the SRT, it's sticky, got a few buttons. We'll get them gone, it won't be long. Just send my striker 200. Got old hoes back in my phone, cause now bitch I got new money. Bullets so hot. Poppin' YouTube, it's your boy Swervsumn back up in the bit. And today, hey, we got something different for y'all, man. Look, so we behind the scenes, Ox Wars. Y'all go follow them on all social medias, bro. Ox Wars, bro. But they got me doing some behind the scenes work for them, bro, and things like that, bro. People filing in, so I'm finna be recording. I'm gonna get back to y'all when something get interesting. Freestyling video. Hold on. Diamonds in her face, crushed up. They be choosing. Shows her free. Want me to put it in her, but I can't. She wanna link. I can't go on dates. Hold on. Let me catch the beat. Hold on. Keep texting my phone while you harassing me. Hey, what's poppin', y'all? I'm back here with Ox Wars.
Hey, yo, this is E King, COO, and show producer Ox Wars. Let's get it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm just backstage for them recording some stuff. I want some like day in the life type content. So I'm gonna put some of that in here, but I'm also get back to y'all when I'm on stage. I'm trying to get some clips for y'all, see if it's lit or not.
We going crazy.
Yeah. Look, I'm here with E Square, bro. What you do, like, exactly, like, you feel me?
In my world, I do graphic design, so anything from flyers, logos, a little bit of animation stuff, anything like that. Anything to make a brand, person, or company look good.
Okay, cool. So, like, I ain't gonna lie, like, I got my own brand. Like, I do, like clothing. So, like, is there anything, pointers, tips, like, recommendations? Anybody out there that got their own brand? Cause people doing that now,
Pointers and tips is keep going. Art is all subjective. So I said somebody might not like what you do, but someone is gonna like. I said with art you can never really go wrong. There's no wrong. It's mostly really finding your audience. So that's really the main. Just kind of find out who your audience is, and once you find it, just kind of stick with it.
Message. Y'all been doing this outdoors?
We've been doing Ox Wars since 2018 when we first started.
Okay.
Started out on Instagram, and then kind of went from there, from Instagram, doing a live on Instagram, to now we're traveling the world, doing about 40, 60 shows a semester.
Okay, that's fire, bro. That's fire. So like y'all started on Instagram, but y'all based out of what? Like
we're mostly based out of Atlanta.
Okay, cool.
Based out of Atlanta.
Okay, so cool. Okay, so I got some questions for you. What about so old school or new school music?
Old school.
Oh, okay. So what's your favorite old school song? Ooh, yeah.
So many to choose from. First one that's on top of my head is I heard it earlier. Luther Vandross, "Take You Out Tonight."
Chill. Okay.
That came on a little bit earlier.
Okay. Well, appreciate it, bro.
No problem. Appreciate you.
Yeah, he just raised him up. He said, Omar said, add me on Snapchat, and he gave him the phone.
He
say I'm
ODing now. He ODing. You just want to see somebody get rich.
So look, y'all, I'm back.
DJ E, where you at? Sean Gangsta. Are you actually a DJ? That's just your initials. Ah, man.
Oh, them folks funny, too. Who calling you my name, bro? That's funny as well.
Bro, R. Kelly.
Hey, that's funny.
You know what? I'm about to cash out you right now. I got $10 for you right now.
Yes, she got the. Come here. Hey, yes, she put a dollar sign, too. She put a dollar sign.
That's what I'm saying.
I can't even get in there because I'm
Justin Bieber got
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I think they're doing cool. I'm finna answer the question on below.
Where? California, the backyard, Florida, or Georgia?
Georgia. Georgia.
Justin Bieber got his peaches out in where?
I feel like it's Georgia.
You already got the answer, don't you? You want to see
Alright, let's see what's question.
Hey, what does YOLO stand for?
You need to put some Young Thug, free wide stuff.
Stop it! You only like oranges, you ought to leave out. You only love ones, or you only live once.
I'm trying to think, bro. I don't know.
Y'all know it?
Y'all know it? Hey, y'all answer in the comments. Hey, he played the song. He played the motherfucking song.
He said it.
She got that bit wrong. She wanted to write so bad.
I'm gonna cash out you myself. I don't care. There you go.
Shout out to them, man.
Just chill, that's a perfect.
2010 to 2020, and don't play the
what
song
song
that
you
you
pick?
love.
What song you
Play
pick?
something that's gonna make them go crazy.
I think they got it.
Beauty and the Beat.
You think so?
Yeah, she texting right now.
Let's go.
P.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. First song. It's on us?
Yeah.
Let's do it like this.
Pull up in the monster automobile gangster. That game for tree rock. Yeah, and that's on the color of what you want. You can be the king, but that's the queen conquer.
Pick it up. Go three. You want to go first or go first? Yeah, sure you go first.
What you gonna play? What you gonna play? What you gonna play?
Paper Planes by Mia. MIA. Paper Planes by MIA.
With B.O.B.?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all won. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, they won, y'all. Yeah, y'all about to say, I think y'all can look up music. It's pop, it's pop. Who's some like female pop artists?
I'm Lady Gaga.
Who's some old like... Yeah. Ooh, Desperado. Desperado? Nah, that's too slow, that's slow. Yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
You did this, bitch.
You did eat.
Yeah.
You did.
Out here, turn it up every single time.
You did. In my head, and I can't keep out. Got me singing like.
Pump it up, yeah. Now, I'll give that about 8.1. 8.1.
I ain't gonna lie, that shot was like a 6, dude. That's one.
Give it up for the Oxford Warriors. On my run!
What? Hey, he just told her to do. He told her to do.
You know what?
What's the
I got
decision?
$60 to put your name on 60. Or you can choose one of the Oxford Awards mystery box.
I'm talking about 60.
Yeah.
Hey, right here. What y'all do? Box or the money? What y'all do? Box or the money? I ain't gonna lie, I'm going box. I ain't gonna, on my mama going box.
You don't want the cash. Put the cash back in your pocket. You said throw it out. Okay, like that. So you want to number 1, 2, or 3? 2. 2. All right, here we go. You love this again.
I love it.
Okay. Well, I forgot to tell you. There's nothing in one of the boxes.
Oh, okay, that's really cool.
Okay, but best to
She hot as fuck.
All right.
Okay,
Best of luck. Best of luck.
okay, sure.
Oh, shit.
Empty box.
Empty box is crazy. Fucking cat litter. Fucking cat litter.
Oh shit, cool.
Apple AirPod Pro.
Boy, if you don't.
We gotta do what Wakanda gotta shake it. Hold on.
Alright, man. We plotting some shit.
Alright. So this is what they have to get out of
What it is? What it was? Swag, sir. Oh, hold on.
Put them on the gram and everything. So
Hey, bitch. Here we go again. Watch out. Watch out, pick. Watch out, pick. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Uh-oh. Why you say you done it? I ain't taking $60. I ain't gonna lie. I'm in the box.
Now, I'm gonna make a decision for you. Pick the box. And pick the box that's closest to the crowd.
don't listen to anything he said. You do whatever you want.
Cap.
The money or the box, alright?
Don't do that.
What do y'all think? Money or the box?
She's still up here, okay? Pick a number.
Hey, look, I told you I would have picked box. Watch this.
10.
Between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10 is can you pick? Hey, come I got. Hey, look, I say he say between 1 and 10. Can you pick 10?
Yeah, of course.
But he said in between 1 and 10. So 1 and 10.
Right.
That's how they really begin. And they said pick me. AJ didn't pick.
$60 or the box. Whatever you don't want, she gets. $60 or the box. Hey, trust me, I'm begging you.
That be empty.
Have you ever heard of a mega shot box? Trust $60.
Bust that down in the middle, I ain't gonna lie. Bust you tripping, bust that down. Bust that 30 down. I'm busting that. I ain't gonna lie, I ran off on that. I would've took the whole 60. I'm running off on that. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie.
The box.
He caught that bit crispy.
You got 10 seconds to stop. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. She wants the money. 2.
What you got, makeup?
That big got a sport.
The fork actually means something, okay?
Oh, that big got something wrote on it.
So
Something.
fork means everybody eats, me. Okay? So Scatter went to $60. You just won $100. And you get to pick one of your friends to win $100 too.
In my pocket, that's what crime do. See my young niggas with me, cause that's how the mob move. I turn the cream soda to a pyro. Look me head to toe, everything I got exclusive.